Are you struggling to manage your product feeds across multiple marketplaces like Google Shopping, Amazon, eBay, or Facebook ads? Imagine uploading your products to dozens of marketplaces automatically without manually editing spreadsheets ever again. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fully master Koongo from scratch. We will show you exactly how to use Koongo step by step from setup to automation so you can save time, reduce errors, and boost your online sales. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or another platform, this guide is designed for beginners and advanced users alike. So if you want to simplify multi-channel selling and automate your product listings like a pro, make sure to watch until the end and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. So, let's begin. Koongo is an e-commerce product feed management and marketplace integration platforms helping online stores automatically send and sync product data across marketplaces, shopping ads, and comparison sites like Amazon, Google Shopping, eBay, Zalando, TikTok, Mento, and so much more. It helps online merchants manage product feeds, marketplace integrations, ads, and order synchronization all from one place. To better align your expectations with the features you are looking for, as well as your business needs, it's important to review the available pricing plans first. Now, all I have to do is pick a plan and let your business grow. All plans are scalable and include a 7-day free trial. Now, the free plan is best for new sellers because you get to have all these. The starter plan is the most popular for growing merchants, which is designed for businesses ready to scale up. And then, of course, you have the Pro plan, which is preferred by professional agencies because it's ideal for advanced sellers and agencies requiring faster synchronization and priority assistance. And of course, the Ultimate plan is really best for large enterprises built for high volume operations that needs real-time synchronization and premium support. Now, choose the plan that matches your growth stage and start optimizing your e-commerce operations with Koongo. All I have to do is click the Start Free plan and you'll be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is super simple, provide all the information needed, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google. And remember to use our affiliate link in the description below. You will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Koongo. As you may notice, the interface is very clean, it's straightforward, nothing feels too overwhelming because the platform is designed to help you work efficiently, not to distract or amaze you with unnecessary complexity. Now, if you look at the top left corner, you will see the store icon. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the section where you can add your online store. This is actually the core feature of Koongo because it is an e-commerce product feed management and marketplace integration platform helping online stores automatically sync and distribute their product catalogs to different marketplaces, shopping ad platforms, and comparison shopping websites. Now, you have multiple options here. You can choose your platform from BigCommerce, CCV Shop, Lightspeed, Magento, Magento 2, Presto Shop, Shopify, ShopRunner, WooCommerce, Wix, Shopware, Shopware, and custom platform. Now, let's say I am going to connect my Shopify account. I want you to click on it. If you want to watch the video tutorial, like a walkthrough, you can do that. But of course, all I have to do is simple. Click the connect your Shopify store. You will be forwarded to another page. All I have to do at this point, you want to make sure that you are connected or your Shopify account is open before you can connect. It's a lot easier. Click the install button. You just have to authorize your Shopify store into the Koongo. You see this? If you want to read all the terms and conditions, you might want to do that. But once you are satisfied, click the install button. It's super simple. It's all with one click. Now, during the installation in progress, I suggest you do not use any VPN or proxy because that can interfere with the connection. You see that the goal is to simplify product listing management by automating product feeds, inventory updates, pricing synchronization, and order data integration across multiple sales channels from one centralized platform. Now, you would notice that you need to check what do you want to connect. You can search for any channel, click the show more channels if you can't find your channels here. You have eBay, Facebook ads, Google ads, Frugo, and a lot more. Now, I am going to choose Facebook because this is the platform where I always sell my products online from my Shopify store. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Now, you see that you need to register on Facebook Business, create a Facebook ads feed, Facebook category mapping, set the Facebook connection app. Now, you can see that my Shopify, as well as my Facebook ads manager, is already ready. I'm going to go back to the Koongo and I'm going to choose the market. Okay. Select the type. Is it going to be a product or vehicles, automotive ads? I'm going to choose the product. Format is CSV, of course, and click the add the channel profile. This is very important. You need to not skip this. After that, you will see different tabs in the left side area of Koongo. Number one is going to be the Shopify store. This is the store that you connected to Koongo, which is going to be the Shopify. If you want to add a new store, you can do that. But of course, we're skipping this because I am going to show you around the dashboard. This is your main overview of Koongo, the screen where you can see the feed status, errors or warnings, product sync activity, order activity, marketplace's performance, quick statistics. This is your control center for monitoring everything very quickly. Now, because this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. We only have connected our Facebook ads to the Shopify store. Now you have the products. This is basically your product catalog management section. Here you can view imported Shopify products, edit product feed attributes, or if you want to exclude products, map categories, or fix missing product data, you can do so. Now, if you want to add a product here, you can't add manually a product in this section. Instead, you need to import by going back to your Shopify store. So to your Shopify store, I want you to create one product. So I'm going to create one product here. Go to products. Let's say I'm going to add a new product here. I'm going to make sure that they can use the generate text here, description, and generate text about that. Press enter. If you want to upload the photos for your product, you can do so. And of course, choose the category, which is going to be about education and entertainment. Let's say for now, it's about media. Price is, it's up to you. What price do you want? Okay, inventory. And then once you're happy with this, all I have to do now is click the save button. So we have our first product created here in Shopify. Now, if you go back to the Koongo, you see, you can refresh this so the products stay updated. Now, the status may take a little while depending on your connection, but for now, we are going to show you the orders. The orders are basically the order synchronization area. You can use this to import products from marketplaces, send marketplaces into Shopify, and track order processing. And of course, you can also manage the fulfillment syncing. You see this option right here. For example, if someone buys from Amazon or eBay or to your Shopify store, Koongo can push that order into Shopify automatically. You see that? That's how easy it is to use. And then you have the marketplaces. These are going to be the connection hub for marketplaces. Now, click the refresh button so that the marketplaces will be here. You see that there's a plus button. You can check on it and select your desired marketplace channel to begin seamless integration journey. On by, Cdiscount, Amazon, Frugo, eBay, basically there's so much more. Now, after that, we are going to the next section, which is going to be the feeds, which is one of the most important areas in Koongo. Basically, a feed. It is a structured product file sent to marketplaces or ad platforms. For example, we chose to integrate our Facebook ad. It lets you create product feed data right here. And of course, you can schedule automatic feed updates. Click the refresh button to optimize the product data. Feeds are used for Google Shopping ads. In our case, we are using the Facebook catalog. So think of it as the product data pipelines. And then you have the ads. These are tools related to advertising integration. You see, there's an option here if you want to connect, let's say, for example, your Google Ads, or for example, you have the hands, click on it. What will happen is you'll be forwarded here. You need to select your desired ad channel to begin a seamless journey. And all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. All right. After the ads is going to be the My Rules. My Rules is a customization and automation section. Rules allows you to modify product data automatically. For example, if you want to add a text to product titles, let's create a new rule here. Let's say you need to use a take for the default rule and choose a specific attribute, for example, category description. Now, all I have to do is click the conditional rule if you want to add more and click the save button. All right. Now, this is extremely useful for feed optimization, which is related to the feed section here. Once you've done that, it'll automatically apply this to your product feeds. And then we are going to the next section, which is going to be the store settings. Basically, this is the general account and store configuration. It includes the additional sources, documents, import rules, order settings, order checklist by countries. Now, this controls how Koongo behaves overall. At the bottom is the Ask Kai, Kongo's AI assistant to help feature, typically used for troubleshooting. So think of it as your built-in AI support. Last is going to be the help. The help section is going to be the support and documentation area, which is useful for fixing sync or feed issues. And the most important part here in your dashboard is going to be the My Plan and pricing. If you feel that Koongo is going to be the platform that could help and boost your online commerce store, you want to make sure to upgrade to their subscription plan. At the moment, I am using the free plan so that you can unlock all the tools and features and the full power of Koongo. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. And with that being said, that wraps up our full tutorial on Koongo. By now, you should understand how Koongo helps automate multi-channel selling, streamline product feeds, synchronize inventory, and manage marketplace orders from one centralized system. Whether you are selling on BigCommerce, Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, eBay, Bol.com, or multiple platforms at once, Koongo gives you the tools to scale more efficiently and reduce the manual work. What makes Koongo stand out is its balance between automation, flexibility, and simplicity. It connects stores to 500 plus channels while also handling feed management, inventory pricing, and marketplace orders import from one dashboard. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. As always, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.